How's it going, guys? This is a restoration on this old jerry can here. I'm gonna put some gas in it for that Jeep right over there. So I just pressure washed it a little, scraped it up with some sandpaper, and I also put a little rust remover in there. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, see, it's kind of really dirty, so I put a little bit of rust remover in there. Just some, basically just cleaning product, get all the rust out. But I'm gonna be painting it this gloss protected with this. Sorry about that. I'm gonna be spraying with this gloss protective enamel. I don't exactly know what color this is. Got it from Home Depot, but you know, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna use it. Okay, but gotta wait for that inside of that to dry, so we'll focus. But I'm gonna wait for the inside of that to, you know, get over with. So it's probably gonna take a couple hours, maybe a day. Then I'm gonna spray it with this stuff and see how well it looks. All right, guys. So here's the gas tank again. I did try to clean a little bit on the outside. Let's see if I can focus in there. Probably not. Okay, you can see it. Some of it has got cleaned up a little. Let me shine the light down in there. Whoops. Focus. Okay, so there is a hole in this. Doesn't look too good right now, but there's a hole right there. So I am going to patch it up with some JB Weld. So let's get that mixing up. Okay, so as you can see, the hole is right there, and I would suggest wearing gloves with this. I have my nice clipper one. Oops. And I'm just using this one. I don't really know what it is, but so hopefully it's not all dried, but with my luck it probably is. I don't need too much of this stuff because it's just a tiny hole. Hopefully gas doesn't you know, corrode this. And this stuff, the hardener, smells absolutely terrible. Like, you know, I think a skunk might smell better than this stuff. Okay. Now let's mix it up. Okay. Oh God, it smells terrible. Okay. Let's push it down in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna let this sit till it's dry, and then I'm gonna put more CLR. I'll put more CLR in this. Alright guys, and now filling this all up. And you can see I did wipe down right there a little, and I also wiped down the whole inside. So now let's just fill this up. Alright, now that I got this whole thing of thing filled with water, as you can see the reflection. Yeah. I'm just going to take some of the CLR, not some, all of it, and hopefully it doesn't overfill. Okay. Dump that in. You could either dump it in before or after. And I'm going to close up this top and it might come out, so, which it does, but I'm gonna shake it up. Okay. Now, we let it set for however long it takes, most likely, 12 to 24 hours. Alright guys, as you can see, I have finished up the gas tank now. Looks pretty good. Nice bright red. Did the inside too. It's not perfect, and there's some condensation down in there, so it might rust again. But you got to still put a seal around here or here, just to keep it, like watertight, and so gas doesn't leak out when we're driving. Missed that one. There you go. But yeah, it's this nice red, very well protected, nice and shiny, kind of. It's shiny, as a little bit shinier than I'd like it, but still shiny. And we just have it hold down with a bungee tie. But that's all for this gas tank recoloring, basically, and fixing up. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you want to see more on this beautiful Jeep, I'm going to be doing that patch right there and on the other side, and then also these back here. Oh, and we also have a blue one, and these patches, and there's one on the other side too, if you remember. Okay, well, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a good day.